Creating a stunning brochure has never been easier. With Canva's user-friendly interface and countless templates, you can design a professional-looking brochure in just minutes. Whether you are promoting an event, showcasing a business, or sharing information, Canva offers the tools you need to make your ideas stand out. Start crafting your eye-catching brochure today and watch your audience take notice. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to make a brochure in Canva. So the first steps that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including brochures. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, pre-designed templates, and extensive library of images and fonts, Canva makes it easy for anyone, regardless of design experience, to produce professional-looking brochures tailored to their specific needs. So let's come back to the top. So here we have in Design Spotlight, we have here brochures. You can just click over it, or you can sign up and you will find this page as you can see. So we have just to search for brochures like that, and you will find these templates. So in these templates, I already select the filter. So for example, you will have here for various templates. We have here 5,355 templates. So for example, if you want these templates, you click over here. So you select the template that you want. But I will firstly select the niche that I want. So here we have filters. And if you want here business, you click over business and you select if it's documents, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graph planners, and other things. Then we have your social media, such as Instagram, Facebook, or here we have stories, TikTok, and other things. Then we have education, video, marketing also. So we have your brochure. I will select brochures. Then we have print products, marketing materials also. Then we have here cards and invites, stickers and packaging. We have your clothing and accessories, and the last one, which is cards and invitations. So such as here we have invitations, cards, postcards, and also we have here, for example, format, style, language, theme, feature, grade. We have subject also, topic, and here we have the price. For example, I'll select the free one, and then I will select, for example, the color. For example, I'll select all just template with the color blue and the free, and also only brochures. So I will click apply, and you will find only 16 templates as you can see. So you can also create your blank templates. So for example, I will select this one, I will click over here and I will click over customize this template, and you will find this page as you can see. So here we have how you can design these templates. So let's come back like that, and I will just click over here and I will click over customize this template. Here we have it, and you will find other page, which is this one. So Canva makes it easy for anyone to create beautiful brochures quickly and efficiently. With its simple tools and wide range of templates, you can bring your ideas to life and effectively connect with your audience. Start designing your brochure today and see the difference it can make. So here we have it. So firstly, we have here, if you want to delete this one, you click over here and you delete the picture. You can also add your picture. For example, you go to the uploads and you upload the image that you want. For example, I will click over upload and you upload your picture. Also, you can record yourself if you want, or video here in your social media. Also here we have drag media here to upload or connect an account. Then here we have, if you want to delete the text, and I can just delete the text and you go to the text here, you can add a heading, add a subheading, and a little bit of text. So for example, I will just select this one and I will write, for example, whatever I want. I will choose first the size, for example 28 like that, and it's for comfortable because we have a tweak sides and three columns I mean, and here we have it how it works. And we have here the text color, which is the text color that you want. For example, I'll select this one and I will write, for example, here As you can see, we'll write, for example, something here. So I will select also if is it bold, italic, and here we have italic, as you can see. And this is the difference between this. Then you choose size, for example, I'll choose like that, as you can see. Then we have here also, if we want to add other things, like if I go with input elements, I will just choose, for example, this one and this one and this one. So it's just email, put it small like that. Then I will have here location like that, and I'll put it here, and we have the phone number here. I'll put it here, and then I will just delete this one, and I will add the phone number like that. Then I will add the location. Then I will add here this one. I will add, for example, the email. Then here we have it. Also, you can delete this one. As you can see, you can also copy style, paste, duplicate if you want. So here we have it. I will just put it here, for example, if I want, and I'll put this one here also. And here we have it, how it works with that. Then here we have, if you want to add also some design, for example, you add text and you want a design. And also here we have draw. If I want to draw here, I'll select, for example, this one. There you have it. So if you did a mistake, you click over window, and I will just come back to the first thing that it looks. This is how it looks. And also, if you want to add here is zoom. If you want to zoom in, then here we have your thumbnail view. Here we have a grid view also, and that's it about that. Then we have here also other options, like if you want to share, click over here and you add people, groups, or your team. And here we have collaboration link. Here we have only you can access the design using this link, or here we have anyone with the link. Anyone can access the design using this link. So you have just to copy the link and share it with your friends. So this is how you can modify and you create your brochures on Canva. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.